Attorneys for the city of Green Bay say Alderman John Vander Leest is trying to embarrass, humiliate, and discredit members of the police department.
Yeah, and we've learned now that the comments came in a response filed to Vander Leest's federal lawsuit against the city, the mayor, and several members of the police department. Tonight, Fox 11's Robert Hornacek has balanced coverage.
Green Bay Alderman John Vander Leest is seeking $1 million and a public apology in a federal lawsuit filed in February. In the lawsuit, Vander Leest claims his constitutional rights were violated when he was arrested in March of 2008 on suspicion of drunken driving. The case was dropped after blood tests showed Vander Leest's blood alcohol level was well below the legal limit. Vander Leest's lawsuit details claims of police corruption. The suit claims police targeted Vander Leest because of his votes on the city council. The suit also claims police destroyed evidence in his case. The city filed its response to the lawsuit last week. According to court documents, the city claims Vander Leest is, quote, weaving a scenario not based upon fact, but orchestrated to embarrass, humiliate, and discredit the law enforcement officers and the city of Green Bay, and to further his own personal and political objectives. The response goes on to say Vander Leest has, quote, failed to provide even a scintilla of credible evidence that rises to the level of substantiating a federal civil rights claim. Attorneys for the city say Vander Leest misused his position as alderman. The response says Vander Leest used public buildings and public forums to promote his own vendetta. The response goes on to say Vander Leest used his position as an alderman to viciously attack members of the Green Bay Police Department as being corrupt. Vander Leest's lawsuit claims the alderman suffered, quote, extreme emotional distress, public disgrace, humiliation, ridicule, harassment, and intimidation because of his arrest. The city's response says any injuries or damages were caused as a result of Vander Leest's own conduct. Now, in a statement to Fox 11 through his attorney, Vander Leest said the city's response, quote, attempts to portray me as the wrongdoer and the defendants as the victims. Is anyone really surprised that a few police officers and public officials would choose to hide the truth? Now, Mayor Jim Schmidt and the attorney for the city were not available for comment this afternoon. Now, if you would like to read Vander Leest's lawsuit and the city's response, you can log on to our website, fox11online.com, and click on the Vander Leest story.